Now, I'm not going to say, see what I told yesterday, this is what is going to happen. Nothing. I'm not going to talk. I don't want to waste your time. But whatever is happening in terms of Nifty or in terms of Banknifty, this was expected. I was expecting. I had a perspective. I had outlook that the market will likely come down, and that is what we told in yesterday's video also, that we are going short, and we are, in fact, not only me, even people in our group were short in this market. If you are not part of our Telegram group, we have a good Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. You can join if you want, otherwise you can ignore. Now, what will happen in terms of market? Now, as of today, what I believe is, my perspective or my outlook about the market is that this gap, whatever gap you are seeing here, which was formed at around 24th, right? This gap will be sustained. Maybe till tomorrow they will sustain this gap. This market may come on the downside. Maybe around 23,500 is a very crucial support zone. If 23,500 today, for sure, 100% sure, I am shooting this video around 3 p.m. 100% I can tell you they will not close it below 23,500. You can write it down, or you can let me know on the comment section below when you see this video, right? But what I believe is, for 100% sure, they will hold it for 23,500. Not even today, even tomorrow, they will hold 23,500. The question is, after expiry, after 27th, after tomorrow, what is going to happen is the real question, right? Now, if you ask me why they will hold 23,500, is because they have written huge number of put option, 23,300 to 23,500. They have written huge number of put option. You can see IV is very high. If you are aware, 23,500 or 23,600 short straddle is trading for barely 100, merely 150 rupees or 160 rupees, and it is very low when you compare with the movement what is happening. Now, today alone market has moved. It opened at around 23,750. It is coming at around 20. It is trading somewhere around 23,500. So it has already moved 250 points. You are collecting a premium of 150 rupees or 160 rupees, but Nifty is moving around 250 points or 300 plus points. So this is where the problem is coming. So tomorrow, even this whatever you are getting premium, whatever straddle premium you are getting today, you might not get tomorrow. And tomorrow is very important in terms of what to say, India VIX. When India VIX is low, and when premiums are very low, you will have to see what they are doing. Let's say, for example, tomorrow morning between 9:30 to 10, you watch the Nifty premiums. If premiums are decaying, then you can understand they are likely not going to move the market. If premiums are very high, now it is around 160 rupees or 150 rupees. If it goes to 200 rupees or 250 rupees, then you might be seeing huge volatility in the market. But I can tell you, 23,500 will not be taken today. Of course, it is hypothetical. I'm not going to say it is going to happen 100%. Nothing is going to happen 100%. All we can do is try to see how we can manage our position. So today 23,500 they will hold. Even tomorrow also they will hold 23,500. Day after tomorrow, which is Friday, is going to be the big question. What is going to happen? Whether they are going to bring it down or whether they are going to take it on the higher side is a $1 million question. Now, they are not likely to go on the higher side. Market has already moved, as I told you, 1,000 plus points. It will come on the downside. So you have to have really good momentum for the markets to go at around 24,000. Now, if you are a trader, if you are an option seller, you will feel the heat, how hard it is to trade in this market. Had you taken some short straddle on 20th, let's say hypothetically you have collected around how much? Let's say 300 points you would have collected, or let's say 400 points you would have collected, but market is moving 1,000 points, 1,500 points. Even if you had done adjustment, even if you had added another straddle, till you will be out by around 200 or 250 points, right? I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the kind of movement in terms of option seller. If you are an option buyer, you will have to have a 200% directional base, right? If you really don't know what is the direction, see, let's say for example, had you gone long at around 23,900 yesterday morning, you would have been bleeding by now, right? Market from 23,900, it has dropped 400 points in just one trading session. And this is not nowadays, these things are normal. Market moving 350 points or 400 points in one trading session or two trading session has become a new normal now. And I'm not here to complain, but what I'm trying to say is how hard it will be for traders to manage these kind of movements in this market. So that is why we are saying it is a very clearly we are saying that this is a manipulation market. Not only that, above manipulation, we told this is a pump and dump scheme. They will pump the market till 23,000, 24,000. From there, they will dump the market, and that is what they have been doing. So the gap which has been formed on 24th is very important in terms of Nifty. If this gap is being sustained, it will sustain till tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow, as I told you, day after tomorrow is the main thing. What is going to happen day after tomorrow is what we have to watch, whether it is going to come on the downside or not. Probably there will be a knee-jerk reaction at around 23,500 levels, which is also an emotional support. If you see if you see this chart, 24,000 was an emotional resistance, and same 23,500 is also emotional support. Now if this round figures, or let's say 23,500, or let's say 24,000, or let's say 23,000, when this number comes, market react or market try to reverse. And this is I don't want to name the terms and confuse you, but this is what happens when the market is touching these levels. So I'm for sure for today they will hold 23,500. It's just 25 points, but still I firmly believe they will hold that 23,500 levels, and maybe tomorrow also they will hold 23,500. As I told you, they have written huge number of put option. They will have to make money. They don't really care about you whether as a retailer. They really don't care about retailers, right? If retailers are not here, who is going to give them money, right? Who is going to pay them, right? That is the main criteria, or that is the main thing here. So we'll see how things work out. This is in terms of Nifty, and in terms of Banknifty, I can tell you Banknifty is very volatile, and nowadays people are not into Banknifty, right? People are not trading Banknifty at all. So everything is focused on Nifty. So that is the main reason you will not find premiums, or you are not finding volumes in Banknifty. Sorry for the inconvenience. This chart is not loading. Let it load so that I will show you what is happening in terms of Banknifty, right? So for now, we will short this market, and we will continue to short this market. We will see what is going to happen at around 23,500. If there is a huge volume with big red candle on the downside, then we will add some more shorts to already existing short. If there is any signs of retracement, or if there is any signs of market buying, FIIs buying, I'm sure today FIIs would have been net sellers today, and they will continue to sell for another 2 or 3 trading session is what I believe. So for now, let me open the Banknifty chart. Let me try if it is opening. Still it is not opening. Yeah, still it is not. We are not able to open. So we'll stick to Nifty itself. So Nifty, as I told you, is going to close about 23,500 as of tomorrow, right? So be careful and trade cautiously. Apart from, if you ask me, apart from this, is there any issue, or is there any concern, or is there any geopolitical situation, or is there any binary event? I can tell zero. Nothing is there. No binary event. No this thing. What geopolitical situation? And in terms of geopolitical situation, April first week is going to be very very important for India. That is where Donald Trump is going to come out with reciprocal tax for India. So if you think this is volatility, you will find more volatility in next month, first week of next month, because this mad person, we don't know how he is going to react, what he is going to react, how what and all taxes are going to be put in India. We really don't know about that. So I'm cautioning you very very early. Be careful in terms of what is happening to what is happening in terms of reciprocal tax. What this Donald Trump, US President Donald Trump is saying is very very important. And let us see how things work out. And if you ask me, as of now, there is nothing India has done in terms of reciprocal tax. They have not replied. They have not showed any concern. Maybe they will come out as give it as a surprise. Maybe FIIs are knowing that. Maybe FIIs are knowing which that we might not know. So there are lots of things in terms of FIIs. FIIs always have a upper hand, or for that matter institutions or prop desk have a huge upper hand. And if you had seen the open interest, you would have noticed there is lots of put buying by FIIs. Go and watch the open interest. Our internet is not working, so there are some issues. So if you go and see what is happening in terms of FII data, FIIs are net sellers in the market, net buyers in the market. They have bought huge put option in the market, in F&O market. So be very careful and trade cautiously, and make sure you always hedge your position. Don't trade without hedging your position. Hedging is kind of insurance which will help you in terms of market. If there is any black swan event, if there is any big gap up, or if there is any big gap down, so hedges are going to be there to help you, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll end this video here. Last but not least, I'll tell you 25th we have a, sorry, not 25th, 30th of March, 11 a.m. we have a webinar, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the webinar. And it is going to be about strategies, how low risk, high reward strategies, whatever strategies we are deploying is being told at this webinar. Not at a full scale, but to some extent we are saying what strategies we are using. So if you want, you can join the webinar. Link is on the description below. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.